Hello students. Today we are going to study about vaccination. This can also be studied under the heading immunization. Both the words stand for same. This is the last topic, how we can prevent ourselves from falling ill. So long we have studied that falling ill, there are various reasons of it. But the last step of prevention is through vaccination. All of you have been vaccinated for different diseases from the time you were born. And still we are vaccinated for various diseases. The most pending vaccine that is on the shelf about to come is the coronavirus vaccine. Now, what is this vaccine, how it works, or how it prevents us from falling ill, that we are going to see. Before we understand the whole thing, let me give you one small example. A small thing or a small germ, little bit of germ, if it enters our body reacts against it. You may feel little feverish, or you are not very healthy feeling in your body. You don't have a healthy feeling. You don't feel well. But maybe after 2 or 3 days, you are back to your normal routine. This entry of little amount of germs in your body and the body reacting towards it, making the body ready to fight for future, is called vaccination. We'll see or study this with the example of polio. You all have been vaccinated for polio. We have eradicated this dreadful disease. In polio, usually a person's hands and legs stops working, they are deformed, and the body also at times gets deformed. You have heard about the best ad of polio, Do Boond Zindagi Ke. What is that Do Boond? Those 2 drops of polio vaccine contains some germs or some pathogens of the polio virus. This germ, this polio, when it is put inside the body, just 2 drops, it contains just few pathogens. When it enters the body of a child, the body starts reacting. The immune system readies itself to fight. And the immune system is very well aware that if this disease, this germ enters again in the body later on in life, how it has to fight. To make the body prepare to fight with a germ later in life with more vigor, with more effort, with more enthusiasm, is said as immunization or vaccination. If this was not given to a child and all of a sudden a huge amount of polio disease germ enters the body, then in that case the body is not able to fight. It's like if one of you are standing and 10 students attack you. How will you fight with 10? But if you know in advance 10 of your friends are going to come and fight with you, what do? You collect your group members and you can easily have a confrontation. So it is same like that. When little amount of germ enters the body, it is always the body, the immune system, which is ready to fight. There are various vaccines available for diseases like tuberculosis, typhoid, then measles, rubella, polio, of course, chickenpox, all these. So, cholera, all these are there, the diseases, if they are put into the body in very little amount, the body's immune system becomes more enthusiastic and vigorous to fight with the same germ if it enters once again. So, this is the whole method of vaccination, and this is a very good preventive measure of keeping a disease away from us. We may not fall sick if we are vaccinated against a disease. Hope you enjoyed, and do like, share, comment, and subscribe.